In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. This integration will streamline workflows by connecting issue management in GitHub with task management in ClickUp, making it easier to keep everything in sync. Follow along as I guide you step by step through the process. First, let's start by heading over to app.clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so with your ClickUp account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where you'll spend most of your time organizing and tracking tasks. Now that we're logged in, let's move over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation menu here. We're looking for the option that says More. Click on More to reveal additional features of ClickUp. This section provides a wealth of other options you might not use every day, but are extremely beneficial for tailored setups like the one we're doing today. With more expanded, locate and click on Apps. This is where ClickUp offers a variety of integrations to enhance your productivity by connecting with the other tools you use. Among these, you'll see GitHub, which is the integration we're interested in. Next, select GitHub from the list of available app integrations. This option opens up the integration page specifically for GitHub, where you'll be able to manage and configure how ClickUp interacts with your repositories and issues there. Once you've clicked on GitHub, you'll need to connect your GitHub account. Click on the Connect button to initiate this process. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between your ClickUp and GitHub accounts, allowing them to communicate and sync data. You'll be directed to a GitHub permissions page. Here, you will need to authorize ClickUp to access your GitHub information. Click the Authorize ClickUp button. This permits ClickUp to read and manage your GitHub repositories as specified, ensuring it can fetch the latest issues and updates without any issues. After authorizing the application, you're nearly done. To finalize the integration, simply click the Next button at the bottom of the page. This confirmation ensures that all the configurations are saved, effectively completing the setup process. And there you have it. Your ClickUp and GitHub accounts are now successfully integrated. This integration allows you to synchronize tasks and issues seamlessly, providing a more robust and efficient workflow between your development and project management efforts. Keep exploring the integrated features within ClickUp to maximize productivity and ensure all your workspaces are in harmony. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in creating a more integrated and efficient workflow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Stay productive and see you in the next video.